Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to cover the chapter Trigonometry of class 10. What do you mean by trigonometry? First I am going to tell you about that. With the name we can find out its meaning. Tri plus con plus metry. Do you know what is the meaning of that? Its meaning is tri means 3, con means sides, and metry means measure. So, as you can see, its meaning is 3 sides measure. Which figure has the 3 sides? Do you know? 3 sides. Closed figure which have 3 sides, that is triangle. So, trigonometry is related to triangle. Now, which type of triangle it is related to? In the trigonometry, we are going to cover the relationship between the angle and the sides. Relationship between the angle and the sides. Or you can say, on the basis of the angles, we can find the ratio of the sides. On the basis of angles, we are going to find out, the ratio between its sides. Now in the triangle, it should be right angle triangle. What is the right angle triangle? In the right angle triangle, one angle should be of 90 degree. So if this angle is of 90 degrees, so it is called the right angle triangle. If I talk about this triangle, in a right angle triangle, other two angles are acute angle. What are acute angles? Acute angles are always less than 90 degree. Acute angle is always less than 90 degrees. So if one angle is 90 degrees, so sum of other two angles of a triangle is always 90 degree, because sum of all three angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. Now in the trigonometry, what we are going to cover, like how we can find out the relation between angles and sides. Now I am going to tell you about this. In the trigonometry, we have some values like sine of, if this is an angle A, this is an angle A. So if we want to find out the value of sine of angle A, we can write it like sine A. Okay. If I gave her the name theta, you can give any name of that, but I take it here theta. In the trigonometry we take the angle's name theta. So sine A, or you can say sine theta. This angle is the acute angle, you know. For this angle, this side is the perpendicular. With the angle, this side is called the base, and the side in front of the perpendicular, or you can say in front of the right angle, that is called the hypotenuse. If I talk about this angle, this one is also an acute angle. So if I talk about this angle, for this angle, what is the perpendicular? This is not the perpendicular for this angle. What is the in front of this angle. This side AB is in front of angle C. So for angle C, the perpendicular will be AB. For angle C, what is the perpendicular? Perpendicular is AB, and what is the base? That is BC. And hypotenuse will be the same because the right angle is here at point B. So hypotenuse will be C. Okay, got my words? How? Where is the angle given? In front of that angle, the side is called the perpendicular. With that angle, the side is called the base. And in front of the right angle, in the triangle, the side is called the hypotenuse. Now, we are going to take the angle A. With angle A, I am going to tell you about all the thetas, all the values of sine theta, cosine of A. We can write it cos A or we can write it cos theta. Okay? And the third one is tangent of angle A. These three thetas are the main. You can write it like tan A or you can write it tan theta. Now, what is the value of sine theta? Sine theta is called the perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So, sine A, what is the value of sine A? That is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay? And what is the value of cos A? Cos A's value is base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. And the value of tan A. If you have two thetas, angles value you have, if you have sine theta's value and cos theta value, you can find out the tan theta's value easily. How? Because sine A upon cos A, that is called the tan A. So, if I do P upon H upon B upon H, after that H will be cut and this becomes P upon B. So, what is the value of tan theta? You can say tan A is equals to P upon B. Now, with these three values, I am going to tell you about other three theta's value. Okay? We have our three values here: sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. As you can see that tan theta is equals to sine theta upon cos theta. Here you got a formula. After that I am going to tell you about cotangent both. You can say it's cotangent A. What is the value of cotangent A? You can write it like cot A or cot theta. It is the reciprocal of tan theta. This is the reciprocal of tan theta. So what we can write it? We can write it like 1 upon tan theta. So what is the value of tan theta? You can see here that is P upon B. So what will be the value of cot theta? We got it like cot theta. What is the reciprocal of tan theta? Base upon perpendicular. So we can write here base upon perpendicular. Got my words? Okay. After that, the next one is cosec. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So we can write it like 1 upon sin theta. If 1 upon sin theta is the cosec theta, so what is the value of cosec theta? That is h upon p. This is the reciprocal of sin theta. So we can write here h upon p. Okay. After that, the last one, that is secant, or you can say sec. Sec theta is equals to 1 upon cos theta. The reciprocal of cos theta will be hypotenuse upon base. So what is the sec theta? That will be hypotenuse upon base. Now these 6 thetas are going to help you in this chapter, that is trigonometry. Okay, with these 6 concepts, I am going to give you one hint. If I multiply anything with its reciprocal, what I get? I am going to rub this because I need space. Okay, if I have a number 6, okay, if I multiply it with its reciprocal is 1 upon 6. If I multiply both of them, what I get? 1. So now you can see that if I multiply the reciprocal of the both as sin theta's opposite will be cosec theta, right? Sec theta is the opposite of cos theta and tan theta is opposite of cot theta. If I multiply all of them, what I get? That is equals to 1, right? I think you got my words. So this is the basic for trigonometry that you have to learn first. After that you can find out all the sums very easily. Hope this will help you. Thank you. Have a nice day.